Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today on my channel I will show with you how to fix Unknown Error FFFF Red Dead Redemption 2, and this is the easy way guys you can do. Just follow my step and don't forget subscribe and support me by like this video, and let's get started. Guys, you need to open your file and explore your will spot right here, the bottom of the screen, and the way the left your screen you will see the document and the redemption document, and double click and you will see two file and profile and setting, and select the file here and you will request and eliminating this file and delete them, and this is game you should work fine without getting any error message. And I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then like, share this video for more content.